How to change your Roblox password if you forgot your current one. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your Roblox password if you forgot your current one. First, open the Roblox website on your browser. You can log in to your account by entering your username and password. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password or Username option. In the email area, enter your email address and click on Submit. Now start a puzzle for verification and hit the Submit button after completing the puzzle. After that, open the email website and reach the mail of Roblox. Hit the Reset button and choose your account. Lastly, create a new password and confirm it by typing it again. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.